Well, as for my state, this is how our dashboard, our registration page will be like. So first thing, you have to put your name. Let me say I'm going to use Kelly Mbabas as my names. So this is not my real username. So the next step is the username. This is the most important part. You should not forget your username and should put an easy username to remember. So I'm going to use Mbabas 256. That's my username. It should have numbers at the end. You can use Mbabas 25, or you could use any. If you're called Kelvin, you can use Kelvin 25, anything. Then email, you're going to add a valid email. Let me start using Mbabas 256@gmail.com. So for the number, you make sure if you're Ugandan or Kenyan, you start with your country code. I'm going to use 254 plus 256 7 8 8 8 8 0. Okay, I'm going to use that as my number. Now for the country, you make sure you choose your country. Here I'm going to choose Uganda as my country. Sponsor name, skip that. Then password, you make sure the password you're going to add a 6-digit number. Let me use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I agree. Remember our username, I'm going to use this. Our username was Kelly and our password to log in. Not using your name, use your username and your password to log in. So we press unlock. So here, your payment method, MTN and Airtel. You click any of your choice. If you're using MTN or Airtel, you choose what you're going to use. Let me say I'm going to use MTN. Click on MTN. Here you're going to add your name again. Let me say I used Mbabas 256 and my password was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sign in. So pay with MTN. Here we have the payment method. So you simply you open your phone app, then you add these codes and paste this merchant ID. After payment, you add the number is for payment here. If you paid with MTN, make sure you add the MTN number. Paid with Airtel, use the Airtel side and add the Airtel number and press confirm to log into your dashboard.